Hey everyone, okay, so today we're going to do some swatches, and these are some pretty things. Ready for them? Clé de Peau, I know, high-end brand that offers exquisite quality. They really do. Every single Clé de Peau product I've ever used, I'm always like, oh, I want everything, but I can't afford it. Help me. So we're going to do some swatches. These are liquid lipsticks. Let me show you how beautiful they are. They scream elegance. You get your standard doe foot applicator, and there's no real discernible scent to them, so nothing too irritating. Just a heads up. When I do YouTube videos, I will do eye makeup, I'll put mascara on, I can do a brow, I'll do concealer and foundation. I can't do lip. I've never been able to do lip. When I put lipstick on, I look like Kenny Everett. It's not for me. I just can't do it. So we'll do swatches. So this is shade 118. So I'm going to swatch it right here. That is shade 118. I'm telling you, that would make an amazing cream blusher. Amazing. Next up, I'm going to be swatching 203. Is that 203? Yes, it is. And it is this, look at that color. Oh, hello. I'll swatch it right next to it. So 203. Again, hello cream blusher. I'm actually going to try this as a cream blusher in a second. Next, for those of you who like a deeper shade, this is 205. And this looks like it's going to be a brownie red, but we'll see when we apply it to the skin. Yeah, it's almost that brick color. And finally, let's do 113. This looks like it's going to be more, I think it's still got that brown to it, but we will see. Sometimes it's difficult to know. It does still have a brown tinge to it, but it's definitely in the red spectrum. So obviously I look absolutely stunning. So let's try it as a cream blush. I'm going to use shade 203, and I'm going to just do a couple of dots, and let's just see if it's too much or not enough. Oh, hello, my friend. That's so pretty. I'll do the other one, the really pinky one, because the other two here, they're just going to be a bit too deep. So let's do 118, which is this kind of ballerina pink here. So that's this one here, that's on this cheek. And let's try that kind of more ballerina pinky color. Oh, I do love blusher. I just think it's the prettiest thing you can do to your skin. Look at that. I mean, both of them blended out. This one's a little brighter, even though it's a lighter color. Yep, I'm going to be using these as cream blushers. It's just the way it is. But really pretty shades. I can't tell you, because I really can't see, I truly can't, how many mils is in here. But to say the quality is good, and by the way, even though I don't want to put them on my lips for camera, I have tested them out. There is some real longevity with these as well. Blot them. I always think, even if it's a liquid lipstick, give it a blot. But beautiful product. Beautiful. And you can see there is a tiny hint of a sheen to them, but barely anything. Beautiful. Thanks for watching. I'll put all the links down there in the description bar for all you rich people, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.